Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Children, today we'll be learning the sound of letter R. The sound for letter R is R. The letter is R and the sound is R. Let's go through some of the words that begin with this sound. R is for rabbit, R, rabbit. R is for rose, R, rose. R is for red, R, red. R is for radio, R, radio. R is for river, R, river. R is for rock, R, rock. R is for ring, R, ring. R is for road, R, road. So these were some of the words that begin with the sound R and the letter R. Let's go through them once again. R is for rabbit, R, rabbit, rabbit. R is for rose, R, rose, rose. R is for red, R, red, red. R is for radio, R, radio, radio. R is for river, R, river, river. R is for rock, R, rock, rock. R is for ring, R, ring, ring. R is for road, R, road, road. Now turn to page number 19 of your picture book. R is for rabbit, R is for rose, R is for ring, R is for radio. Hope you all like the video. Please practice. Thank you.